What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at some more Bluetooth headphones. So I'm sure you, just as well as I, have had quite a few pairs of Bluetooth headphones. Maybe you've only owned like one pair and they've been like perfect for you. But me personally, I've owned a few, and my experience has been a little bit rocky so far because the ones that I've chosen for some reason have either just been really good in the beginning and then kind of just fallen off, stopped working after my use case for a little while, or they just, never really worked in the first place. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Alpha X180s from Vankyo, and we reviewed a few of their products, and most of them have all been really good. So if you guys remember, we've already reviewed the Vankyo X200 Bluetooth headphones on the channel. So we're gonna be taking a look at the Alpha X180s. Now these are actually newer, which is weird with their their number case right here with the X180. You would think these would be kind of like a lower version of the X200s, but these are actually newer and they have better features. So we're gonna be taking a look at these guys right here and seeing if these guys are some quality Bluetooth headphones that you guys should take a look at. So let's go ahead and roll the intro and we'll get right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, so a couple of you have brought this to my attention about UR CDKey, and you are correct. There is a bit of an issue on their website with the payment options. So what you're going to have to do is go down to the bottom right where you see their customer service window, and you'll have to purchase the Windows 10 Pro OEM key from that link that you see in there and use that promo code that they give you. My promo code will not work for this, and once you check out, you'll notice everything works just fine. I know the little link for it looks kind of funky, but it does work. They're just encountering a little bit of a payment issue with the US right now, so that's probably why that's happening. So hopefully this helps you guys out, and hopefully you are able to use the ad still and get your keys like you wanted.
UR CDKey has discounted codes for games and software that are a fraction of what you would pay if you purchased them from a retail store. More specifically, they have great prices on their Microsoft Office 2016 bundle that comes with a Windows 10 license as well. If that's not enough, you can also use my promo code RAV20 to receive 20% off the already discounted price. Just type in your product you're looking for, add it to the cart, view your cart, head to the checkout, type in my promo code, once again, RAV20, and see the sweet savings appear. Check the links in the video description to learn more.
So let's go ahead, and without any further ado, let's get right into these things, and I'll give you guys a couple tech specs while I'm doing it. So let's go ahead and open the box right here. And just so you guys know, of course, these are Bluetooth headphones, and they have Bluetooth 5.0. So connecting to your devices is super quick and easy, as it should be. And with Bluetooth 5.0, you guys will have the best audio quality you guys can get over Bluetooth, which is very, very nice. So like I said, we are in the box here. You can see we got both headphones right there, and we have the case. So it looks like instead of the X200, see how it has kind of like the matte black case, a little bit of like chrome finish around it, and it looks like the case and even the headphones, they look a little bit more glossy and more reflective than the X200s did. So let's go ahead and get this close to the camera real quick, and let's see if these are big fingerprint magnets. Oh yeah, that's the one thing I knew was going to happen. Look at that. As soon as you do that, let me go and put that in the light. Yep, there is a fingerprint right there. So be aware of that, you guys. This kind of glossy black material is always a terrible fingerprint magnet, so just keep that in mind. It happens, but again, it's nothing that's going to affect the quality of these. I just figured I'd point that out. Now, before I get these things out of the box, I want to let you guys know, of course, as far as devices, these things work with basically anything you guys want to, as long as it has a Bluetooth capability in it. So it'll work with Apple, Android, iPhone, Samsung, Windows tablets, Apple tablets, your laptop, your desktop computer if it has a Bluetooth card in it. Pretty much anything with a Bluetooth capability will be able to connect to these, and we're going to test that out later in the video. So what I'm going to do first real quick is I'm just going to go ahead and pull out the earphones right here. So right away you guys can see these are very similar to the X200 headphones that I used to use, and they do have these little notches on it, which is different. I'm not really sure what those are for. I assume they might be for like the microphone, because you guys can take calls with these, which is pretty cool. Just like a tap on the side of the thing when someone calls you. Very nice. And then you can see around it, it looks like it has the more matte finish right here around where your ear will actually go. And then, you know, there's your contacts right there for the charging case. And then around this side, you have your panel right there that actually is touch activated for certain functions like playing your music, pausing your music, stopping your music, taking calls. And actually, if you swipe up or down, you can actually turn your volume up or down too. So it's very, very cool and intuitive. And then on the back here, you can see the ear tip, which they do come with 3 different sizes of ear tip, and it's usually accommodating for pretty much any size of ear canal. So very cool they include that, so that way anybody can try to use these. And I do notice that these are pretty well at isolating your sound, and at least the X200 sounded really good. So I have high hopes for these guys. So look really nice, and you can see it's already trying to go into its pairing mode right there. At least one of these is. So yeah. Looks like we already have some charge right out of the box. So I'm gonna put those back right here, and let's go ahead and take a look at the case next. So now taking out the case, we can go ahead and take a look at this thing. And with the case, it has a 25-hour playback supporting 5 hours of continuous playback at once. So with the case, you can get 4 full charges. So this case can actually charge your things 4 more times, and it can actually charge your other devices as well. And you can use it kind of as a battery bank if you ever need it. And it uses a USB Type-C charging right there, which enables quick charge. So you can fully charge this entire case in 1.5 hours. So then you can always get another 25 hours of use out of your headphones. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the case right here. Very nice. So I mean, everything looks really good. You have your LEDs in the front right here that when you open it up, they go ahead and blink right there to tell you how much charge you have or if they need to be charged. And let's go ahead and compare it to the other case. You can see it is considerably smaller than the old case. So I personally like that a lot. And as far as weight too, the X200 case right here is a lot heavier. This thing is a lot lighter, and that doesn't necessarily mean that it feels more flimsy or anything like that. This actually feels really solid. So let's go ahead and just stick these guys into the case right here. And so left one right here goes right in there. See, like they're magnetic too, so they just kind of drop right in and they click right in where they're supposed to go. Very nice, very nice. And you can already see, like, right as it goes in, it starts to go ahead and do that charging with the ring right there. So then go same thing with the right one. Go ahead and throw that in there, and it lights up, and it looks like it's getting ready to charge. So there we go. We can close that. And usually, just like the other ones, all you got to do is open the lid, and it starts being ready to pair. That is one of the really cool features about these things, and I just heard a sound actually from it, and it sounds like it's in the pairing mode. Usually one of these things blinks and it's ready to pair. So, and when you shut the lid, it is very satisfying, and it actually is magnetic too. So just go like this, and it closes itself, and it stays closed because it has a magnet on the side of it. So that's very nice. So overall it looks really good. I just wish it wasn't such a fingerprint magnet, but you know what? Doesn't bother me at all. I think it looks really good, and it's freaking, look at this. It is so small. And of course, I wanted to make sure I mentioned that these guys are IPX7 water resistant, so they are great for wicking away sweat, if it rains or something like that, or occasional water splashes if you're in an area where that's gonna happen, or like running through puddles. I don't know what you like to do, but they wanted to make sure that I do emphasize they're not for swimming or, you know, like taking a shower and trying to listen to music, because they are not waterproof. They're just water resistant. But for things like working out and fitness, they are perfect. All right, now real quick, let's take a look at the last bit of accessories in the box right here. We just get this little accessory box right there. So yep, we got our extra ear tips right here for hopefully all different types of ear canal right there, so you can try to make sure it fits for you. Put those to the side, and then of course, you know, you get your trusty USB Type-C cable, which, like I said, has the fast charge capability, so you can charge these things up very, very quickly. Okay, so since it looks like these things have charge on them already right out of the box, I'm gonna go ahead and just try to pair them right out of the gate here. So let's see how easy these things are to pair. So you should only have to just take the case, flip it open, and it should be ready to be paired. So let's go ahead and flip it open right here. Look how fast that was. Holy crap, that was quick. Wow, that was actually really fast. We're gonna try that again to make sure I even get it on camera. I'm not sure if I even caught that. So we're gonna do it again. 3, 2, 1. Holy crap, that is quick. Okay, that impresses me already. That was, you literally, like I said, you just lift the lid and these things pair. They just go in pairing mode. That's what they're doing right here. So yeah, it's looking for it. So let's go ahead and pair these right here. And once it does pair, it should make a little audible sound. And there you go. See how they turn solid blue? That means they are fully paired with my phone. And as you can see, where is it? They are right there, Alpha X180. Can you guys see that? Yes, you can. They are connected. So I guess the only thing left to do is go ahead and listen to some music real quick and try to give you guys kind of a live review of what these sound like, 'cause that's literally all I can do with it right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and put them both in. And these ones that come with it, these actually fit my ear canals really well. So there you go. If you have similar size ears to me, then these might fit you. And also I can already feel and hear the noise isolation. This is actually, wow, this is actually really good. Hold on, let me put this one in. I'm probably gonna start talking louder, you guys, because I can't hear myself anymore. Wow, okay. So as far as noise isolation, you guys, awesome. I'm honestly like, I feel like I have in-ears in right now. Like when I play my drums, I put my in-ears in. These feel similar to that. Or if you have some kind of active noise canceling headphones, it kind of does that effect. So hopefully I'm not talking way too loud. I'm trying to be a little bit more quiet so I don't like blow your ears out. So let me go ahead and let's play some music 1 second. I'm gonna start out with some EDM because I love EDM, and I'm gonna see if I'm gonna try to listen to the characteristics for you guys and see how the bass does and all that kind of stuff. So let me get a good song going and see what it sounds like. Wow. Do I look impressed? It's probably because I am. These sound really good. Okay. Let me turn it up a little bit. I typically listen to my music at about this level right here. About 65, I think is what you would call it. Okay, let me stop right there. So lows and bass sounds really good with these. Actually, a lot better even than the X200s. These sound closer to a Skull Candy headphone, which are, you know, usually always regarded as like bass cannon headphones. So the bass and the lows sound really good in these, and it does not mud out the highs at all. It combines very well. So wow. For a set of headphones under $50, you guys, these are really good. And with music like metal, where the kick drum is like very, very heavy and usually punches through the mix, you actually hear it really well with these. Okay, so conclusion time, you guys. I am just very, very impressed by these little guys, and I think these things are very, very good for a pair of wireless Bluetooth earbuds that are under $50. Super compact and portable. They have a long-lasting battery, like I said, and I think they will be very, very good for somebody who is on the go, who travels a lot, needs something that has a USB Type-C quick charge that, you know, charges up really fast, so that way you can get your music, get your podcast or whatever while you're charging, and get them charged up very, very quickly again. So if you're traveling a lot, you will definitely have everything you need very, very quickly. But let's go ahead and transition to family time. So today's question from the Visuals fam comes from Karaz, or Crazy, I think, and he says, is buying Windows 10 reliable from CDKey? I'm guessing that's what he meant. Will it crash on me? Is it legit reliable? Okay, so before you guys go ahead and just bash me because I'm answering this question, it is not because I'm affiliated with them, whatever. I honestly wanted to answer this question because I get asked it so much in the comment section from you guys, and I figured I wanted to answer it live. And what I have to say to you guys, and to you specifically, Crazy, is it is very reliable. It works no matter what for me. I have it on so many different PCs. I've been using it on my main PC back there for over a year now. It's a key that you're buying. You're not buying the actual like software. The whole thing with getting these keys is the fact that you just need the product key to unlock the features of the software. You initially download the Windows software from Windows themselves. So if you have any crashing or anything like that going on, it is because something in your Windows installation is corrupted. It has nothing to do with the CD key that you buy from CDKey. So I just wanted to clear that up for you guys and put that out there again, since some people are confused on what these actually are and what they do. But really, that's gonna do it for this one, you guys. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at these new Bluetooth headphones that I just reviewed for you. And hopefully you guys found it, you know, at least enjoyable or somewhat entertaining. And if you did, make sure you guys like the video. I'd really appreciate seeing that. And if you enjoy my content and you would like to see more coming up, make sure you get subscribed with those notifications on so you will always know when a new video or a new stream of mine will be going live. Also, I stream live over on Twitch as well as YouTube all the time. So if you guys want to give me a follow over there, go ahead. And anyway, like I said, that's going to be it for today, you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Later.